This instrument we're looking at is an Emerson Rosemount Model 3095 multivariable transmitter. It looks like a differential pressure transmitter, and indeed that is part of its functionality. If we look at the bottom, where the capsule is located, we see two pressure ports, a high side and a low side. You can see the letters H and L right there, so it does indeed measure differential pressure. However, this instrument also measures static or gauge pressure in addition to temperature. And temperature can be accessed or applied through this connection right here, going to an RTD that can be inserted into the process line. So this is actually measuring three different variables: differential pressure, static or gauge pressure, and process temperature. This is used primarily in applications where we're interested in measuring flow with very high accuracy. For example, according to the AGA3 standards for natural gas flow. So we have a transmitter here that can measure the static pressure, differential pressure across an orifice plate, and also the flowing temperature of the gas. And what's unique about this transmitter is not just its multivariable capabilities, but also the fact that it uses foundation Fieldbus. If we take a look at the label, we see what's sometimes called the flying F logo right there, which means foundation Fieldbus. This is an all digital instrument. There's no 4 to 20 milliamp analog signal in this at all. The wiring going to it looks like you'd expect any wiring to look for 4 to 20 milliamps. However, it says right there, Fieldbus wiring. This is a Fieldbus instrument, not analog. It connects currently to our Emerson Delta V system through a Fieldbus interface card, which happens to be this card right here, H1 Fieldbus. And with that, we're able to monitor all the parameters of this transmitter, all variables, the pressure, both differential and static, and temperature, and the calculated mass flow rate, much faster than we could if we were using, let's say, the HART protocol over a 4 to 20 milliamp interface. Also, perhaps more importantly, with Fieldbus, this being a smart instrument, Fieldbus instrument, it has the ability to execute certain software function blocks inside the transmitter. So this is not just a transmitter. It is not just a mass flow calculator. It can also perform PID control and a variety of other signal manipulation functions that could be useful in a control system. So if this were connected on a Fieldbus network with a control valve, this would be capable of controlling the process on its own without the need for an external host system like the Delta V DCS that we have.